He loves his house. Very cosy. I don't really like double fronted anymore. I like it when they have all different sections. It's a wow nice house. Yeah. Oh, this is nice too.
With those things.
Kathy was asking, can he sit in that little turret when you buy that?
Yeah, we love it.
Give him dirty looks.
Some lovely houses. Look at this one. This posh here.
Yeah, Jimmy Hill, we do. Do you remember Hilda
Eric
Baker?
Morecambe.
Nearer and dearest.
Tony Hancock. Jimmy
There, you
Jewell.
know, they wouldn't have pulled it up.
Sid James. Benny Hill.
Yeah, Benny Hill lived in Teddington because he filmed it. Benny Hill was filmed here, you know, the Benny Hill shop.
Oh. Wow, look at these flowers. Wow, aren't these pretty? We're outside Teddington Studios and we've just seen all the plaques. Benny Hill, Eric Morecambe. They have some lovely tulips growing. Oh, here's some now. Some lovely flowers. Lovely. I used to work at Teddington Studios for Sarah Pat Associates. Oh, dead. For a while. In the agents, it was an agency for film and television. And sit on the veranda. Not now. Oh, we could do, yeah.
Could have one drink.
Wendy,
Yeah.
it's her birthday and she's got her new birthday coat on.
Remember this exact location.
Wendy's just been saying,
Pims.
yes, I do want a Pims, thank you.
Coke.
Orange, no orange and M&M.
I've got a thirst for some sangria though.
Who's coming with me to carry it then?
Stephen.
Oh, well, you can.
Oh yes, you'll need to buy it. This is where they filmed Monty Python, the fish slapping contest there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, do you remember where they hit the people with the fish? Knocks it, and he jumps actually in the river on the loch. This is Teddington Loch.
This is the Anglers Inn where we've just been, and this was our table. This cute little one in the corner.
So you make sure that's a strap on. You got a strap on here.
Stephen, don't say strap on. Just by the lock. We think this is the back of the studios. She is down there, the white jacket. She's found a friend, as usual.
Come on, she's had a white jacket.
She's yakking away.
Look at Ken.
Here's some flats where Dad's sister used to live. Teddington. Mum's carrying Dad on her shoulders. Stephen reckons that he can skateboard and he can also, he's the best tree climber and he can swim underwater and hold his breath for 2.5 minutes, but we've got proof that he can't do that from a video in 2003 in Florida in the pool. He lasted 1 second and he claims that it was the goggles weren't on properly. This is the spot from Monty Python, the fish lock, the slapping scene. And over there, by that bridge, is the studios. Oh no, that bridge.
Do you realise something, Ken?
We want to walk through here on my own.
See that? You can buy one house
It's
from
lovely.
Monomola for pennies. And you can go in
Don't
there.
climb on that tree.
Oh, and you can go on that now, like today. There's no law about jumping,
Lovely.
going in there with a boat.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's no law. You could buy one and go on the river tonight from your house. Yeah, your dad was thinking about it for ages.
We're walking down this really cosy lane. As usual, I'm lagging behind. But I'm very warm today because I got my Billabong coat on from Lucy Lou, which he got me exactly a year ago for my birthday. And this bag, which matches the pink. And he also got me this jumper actually, and this shirt. Oh my gosh. And my trainers, which are so comfy. I love these. I wanted these for ages. So let's go to Hampstead Heath and put some heels on. I'm on Dad's back.
Getting carried around as per usual.
And Steve's got the pink bag, which is actually coral. We've found Ham House. We've walked from Teddington to Richmond. I'm exhausted. Down this long lane. I've just seen a film crew actually down there, where all those caravans are. And this is Ham House. Very grand. And over there is where we're going. Richmond. Lots of people on bikes. Pink house right here was Mick Jagger's. I think it's Jerry Hall's now. He tried to put a dome on the top of it so he could look out onto the Richmond Hill, which is a lovely view from up there. But the council wouldn't have it apparently. Here's some more apartments where Dad's sister lived for a while. These were lovely. Lovely and grand inside. Had that new smell. And they've got great views as well. And inside the court, it was like a square, there was a sort of water fountain feature which reminded me of Friends. We're going on Mary's Ferries.
You want me to push it up the hill, Ken?
Yes. I'm having to be pushed up. We're just going into Richmond town centre before we head back for about 5 to catch the boat back to Teddington where we parked, because we're so tired from the long walk. Lovely bit of nature, but I'm done for the day. And seeing as though Richmond is all hilly. So yes, we've got an hour or so to kill. It's about 3 o'clock now. We've got about 2 hours. Get something to eat. Old Town Hall. Very posh shops around here. Wendy's in the charity shop. Cancer research. There's apparently a lovely sandwich shop down there.
On the left, see with the red.
Oh, this one. Okay, with the red cover.
Yeah, very nice takeaway baguettes.
They do really nice takeaway baguettes.
They're apparently.
It's called Coin de Richmond, if anyone fancies it. Right next to Gallery 1, Links of London, House of Fraser. This is where we're going to eat. down here. It's got 5 stars apparently. Funny smell.
I think he probably was. That's like
Yeah, it's happening. In an ideal world, when you would be able to watch anything, listen to anything.
We like dark dingy corners. We like dark dingy corners. I think I've been here before, you know. I really recognise this bit.
Sounds like illness now. Not being everywhere. Get some of them chips and the bacon and egg. That was a day ago, wasn't it? That same day as no.
We're in a place called Pig's Ears in Richmond and they've ordered 3 burgers.
I suppose it's better than going to the horse's
and
house.
colas. Wendy's ordered a Pinot. I would have liked a cocktail actually, but I wasn't thinking straight.
You can get a cocktail if you want.
I'm getting some tomato salad and a side of chips.
She should have gone on the zip wire. You know when
Obviously, what was the name? It's most
Winter Wonderland,
Yeah, Winter Wonderland.
So,
I've done that
not to
with it.
worry. It's the same
From what?
choice.
You know.
I'll put it on my head like film and it's not let's have a go at this old business. I don't really like it. If it's free, I'll give it a go. How do you get them out when? Seriously. How do you do it?
You keep your stick.
I was going to give it to you. I'm going to give it to you.
Stephen, have you got any other ideas of what you'd like to do when you've won the lottery?
I'll let you know.
He wants us to go into a shop and ask for, into a posh restaurant and say, have we got any daddy sauce? And then say, have you got any value cola?
I hate olives. I don't know why I eat them. I'm wrong. There's another hell of a olive that I'm having. Disgusting.
Somebody could have said he didn't want a starter, he'd eaten all the bread.
Want to split that bread to me and you, Gwen?
Stephen, what else did you tell me you wanted me to do for £1,000 the other day?
Try a bit of it.
If you won the
Not
lottery.
even try it, so that you tried it.
You've got to eat cartons of yoghurt and take them back empty and demand your money back.
And say that's how it
And
comes.
say that's how it come. I want to see the area manager.
Eat a carton of yoghurt. Leave it
17p,
empty.
but you know it's the principle, isn't it?
You're not having any of that.
And you've got to have all yogurt around your mouth, as you say.
Can you have any of that? Vinegar in if you like.
No thanks.
Huh?
No thanks.
Try it. You know that basmati vinegar?
Oh, I like basmati vinegar.
Taste this and yeah.
Wendy once went into the fish and chip shop and with Tom and she said, can I have a cob please, twice, and a portion of French fries?
Anything on the olives or should I take that? I'm alright. Do you want those olives?
Yeah, keep them here because I'll eat
Keep the
them.
olives, just the olives.
Yeah.
And the olive. Yeah.
And the oil.
This is where we went earlier. This is the join towards Twickenham and Kingston. Oh, hands. Hi, babies. And the mummy.
See in that house,